Sorry.
Sorry, mate.
Sorry, good morning. Afternoon.
We're looking at getting a van. Do you know how wide they are?
Yeah. Oh, good.
It's brilliant. Thanks,
Yeah.
mate.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Nice
Enjoy
meeting
your
you.
travelling. It's better than paying rent somewhere. One
Yeah,
place.
yeah. Okay, that's it for this area. And we are now here in Bar Beach. There is a big car park here where you can park for free, and that's really nice, and the view is beautiful. Oh, yesterday I forgot my coffee mug in the workplace. Yeah, and so now I don't have coffee with me. Now what I'm going to do is to buy a coffee on that restaurant. Look at that, that one is also a camper van. Yeah, it's a nice one. Looks taller, I mean higher, but still he cannot go stand up there. Looks like there is no rain here the whole night, because last night there was a rain in Nelson Bay. The road is dry here. Oh, actually down there is where we are going, because I'm going to buy a coffee. There's a coffee shop here. And I have this 550. Yeah, a medium coffee, and it's very hot. Nice. Not very hot like my homemade coffee, but yeah, it's good. And we are not going to walk all the way to that side because we've been there so many times. So what we're going to do now is to go to this area, in a residential area. Like this one is a playground, but on the other side will be the residential commercial area. The name of the place is Merryweather. Actually, let's have a quick look to the kids playing here. Oh, not just kids. There are also some adults playing. Oh, nice. Yeah, and it's deep. Look at that. Amazing. Nice. Actually, the name of the place is Bar Beach, because the Merryweather is on the far side. I realized that because I see there is a Bar Beach bowling and a sports club. Yeah, and you know the bowling here is like this. Let me show you. Yeah, it's a wooden kind of bowling. I know it's a grass kind of bowling. Yeah. In Nelson Bay there is also something like that. I think the other bowling, the usual one that we are seeing, is a tin pin kind of bowling. I'm not sure. And yeah, this is the residential area here in Newcastle. And do you know that I was checking the price of the houses in Nelson Bay. I realized that the houses here in Newcastle are much cheaper than Nelson Bay, because in Nelson Bay the houses is ranging from 800,000 Australian dollars. I'm looking to buy a house even though I don't have money. Yeah, basically because when I went to the birthday party, yeah, one of the conversation is how to own a house here in Australia. And yeah, it was a very good conversation. It feels easy, it feels good. It's like I can do it too also by myself. And so when I get home, I didn't really have a good sleep because I become excited on how to get a house. Okay, yeah, that's the beach. And yeah, we try to go this way. Also, I learned that here in Australia there is a government program. The people who's going to buy their person, the government will give money. It is actually not cold now. I'm feeling a little hot wearing this jacket, sweater, jumper. For sure that one is also going to the beach, so we're not going there. We continue walking to this residential commercial area. Some houses here are old, like a wooden, painted wooden, like this two, but the rest are modern. Yeah, they are modern house. Even on this side, these are modern houses. When I was riding my bike before, I had a conversation in one of the biker, and he said that Newcastle is similar to Perth, the city of Perth in Western Australia. Yeah, I have no idea about Perth. Yeah, all I know is that it is in Western Australia, and the time there is similar to the time in the Philippines. And I'm back here in the van. Yeah, I basically ran out of a memory card. Yeah, when I was walking going to the Meriwether area. Yeah, I tried to record with my smartphone, but yeah, there is no way to transfer from Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to my MacBook Pro. Yeah, I mean a difficult process. Yeah, that's why I'm considering of buying an iPhone, replacing this one with an iPhone, but yeah, expensive. I don't have a budget, so yeah, there's no chance to have that soon. And at the moment the sun is setting on that side. Actually, my plan is to sleep here or somewhere here in the area of Newcastle. Yeah, I'm feeling lazy to go home tonight. Yeah, so maybe later we will go and find a place to sleep here in the car. I don't know where yet. It is not allowed to sleep here in this car park. Yeah, this car park is only open until 10 p.m. We are still here in the car park, and I'm going to make a coffee now. I switch on only this light because if I switch on this, it will be too much visible. It will be very obvious from outside. Or if I move it here, it will be very visible outside. I don't want to be very visible outside. And like what I've said, I forgot my coffee mug in the workplace, and so I bring this mug. This mug is actually coming from Roy and Cassie. Yeah, they ordered it and printed this. This is me in the picture. Nice. Let's get out and let's go to the toilet first. I need to pee. There is a toilet here. I don't know if it is still open. And at the moment I am here in the petrol station. I just bought this. This is a meat pie. It's going to be my dinner. I have water, so yeah. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is where I sleep just last night, and yeah, there are many other people here. Actually, mostly are camper van. Look at that. Also some cars. There's one guy here playing loud music. Maybe he's going to fish. Yeah, we are back here in Bar Beach car park, and it is a lot of fog this time. Yeah, you didn't really see. Maybe 200 meters. Yeah, visibility. But the good thing is that it's not too cold. And I'm going to buy a coffee. I can make coffee, instant coffee in my van, but I prefer brewed coffee this time. Coffee for me is not about the taste. It's about the feeling, you know, the relaxation that it is giving to me. That is why it is not very important if it is brewed coffee or instant coffee. Oh, look at that, the waves looks very long waves. Very nice looking. And yeah, we are here in the cafe area. I'm going to buy cappuccino. Yeah, I got the coffee. It's not very hot like the one freshly boiled. Not that hot. The hotness is ready to drink. I just realized that this Newcastle is actually, I mean the area, this particular area is actually comparable to Cronulla. Yeah, if you've seen my videos before, I went and stay in Cronulla for a night. Yeah, and similar, they have a big car park like this. They also have a playground similar to that. Yeah, the one in Cronulla is much bigger, but actually it's almost similar because there is more on the other side, on the Meriwether area. Yeah, but actually there is also a sports center on that side, the same like in Cronulla. But which one I prefer? I prefer here in Newcastle. The thing that I like about Cronulla is that it's in within the Sydney, so going to another place, I mean, very accessible to everywhere. Oh, nice. Look at that. The other half is still full of clouds, but in this area, in the water area, yeah, it's blue sky. Actually, the wind is pushing the clouds towards that side, so later on the sky will be covered with clouds also. And I'm just going to stay in the car. I'm going to edit some videos while having this coffee. And look at that truck, very high up. Nice. Outside is just okay, not too windy. Walking around is okay, and if you are running, you don't really feel the cold. Same like that guy. Yeah, he's running on sando and shorts like it's summer.